So the first tool that we'll walk through today is a tape measure. Most of you are familiar with this type of a tape measure that you'll find in your house. The SeaPerch kit includes a small ruler that is both inches and centimeters on it. As you go through your build, you'll be able to choose to use the inches or the centimeters based upon your preference. In the SeaPerch, you'll be using this ruler to measure the sections of your PVC pipe. To do that, you'll lay your ruler right along the edge of the pipe, count out your measurement. In this case, we'll be cutting a 3-inch piece. 1, 2, 3 inches. And we will draw a line at the 3-inch mark. Now, so that after we cut this, we don't lose which one of our many pieces is 3 inches, we will then write a 3 on our part. This will allow us later to identify which one of them is the 3-inch piece we marked out.